This pineapple banana cake has a moist and rich tropical sweetness with a warm cinnamon pecan crumb, covered with a rum mascarpone frosting and is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. In a small bowl, use a fork to mash together 20 grams banana, 20 grams pineapple, 20 grams brown sugar, 15 grams butter, a splash of vanilla extract, an egg yolk, and 10 grams chopped pecans. Fold in 30 grams flour, an eighth of a teaspoon baking powder, quarter teaspoon cinnamon, and a pinch of salt, being careful not to overmix. Spread the batter in a buttered skillet and bake in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes. The cake is done when a toothpick test comes out clean. Wait about 10 minutes or until the skillet is cool enough to handle before releasing the cake. To make the rum mascarpone icing to spoon over top of the cake, cream together 10 grams room temperature butter, 5 grams rum, and 30 grams room temperature mascarpone cheese. Then mix in 20 grams icing sugar until smooth.